Here is a very quick tutorial on how you can use Google Drawing to annotate on top of any image. So if you go to your Google Drive and you go to New and go over to More, Drawings, then you will see this pop up. So then you can just go ahead and say you have an image on your desktop. You can just drag it right in like that. So here's my image, and then you can resize it however you want to. You can also just click on it and use this tool right here to crop the image if you need to crop it in any way. So then you can use any of these tools to mark up your image. So say you want to use an arrow, for instance. So you just use an arrow to point this out. Then I can change the color of my arrow and also the thickness. So maybe you want it a little bit thicker, just like that. And then you can also add some text. So just use this text box and then you click anywhere and you can add text. Again, you can change the size of this text. You can also make it bold, any of that stuff. Change the color. Let's just make it all red like that. You can move that around to wherever you need it. You can add other shapes here. So if I needed to circle something, I can go ahead and do that. You'll see that this is automatically filled in. Maybe I don't want that, so I can just make the fill color transparent and then change my line color again to red, and it will look kind of like that. Make it more of an oval shape like that. Again, not thick enough. You can change the weight. So that's just a really quick overview of some of the drawing things that you can do. One more tool that maybe I should show you is this Scribble Tool, because that's how you can just like freehand draw on anything. So if I choose the Scribble Tool, then I can just kind of like circle things and underline things, and it just literally allows me to scribble anywhere I want on top of my page. And when you're done, you would go ahead and just name your document, and then you can just share it like you would share any Google Docs. So you could share it with your teacher or just Dropbox this. So that's a really, really quick overview of how you can use Google Drawing.